5 rules for making gains in today's market. Brought to you by Hot for Stock. Rule number 1. Only buy stocks above their 200-day moving average. This rule, more than any other, is the reason why people who use it have done well this year. If you're looking for long-term gains, avoid stocks under their 200-day mark. Rule number 2. Buy stocks on further intraday pullbacks. Look for intraday pullbacks in the 2 to 5% range or higher, as these stocks are the ones that have historically been the better selections for short-term traders. We ideally want to be buying stocks in the uptrends which have reversed, and then we want to buy them after they've pulled back even further intraday. This one rule alone helps filter out the better stocks to buy each day. Rule number 3. Use the 2-period RSI to find your pullbacks. Instead of eyeballing the pullback, let the 2-period RSI find the pullback for you. It's a great indicator. In my opinion, it's the best oscillator available to you, and the numbers back this up. Stocks trading with a 2-period RSI under 2 substantially outperform stocks trading with a 2-period RSI above 98 over the short term. Rule number 4. Buy stocks above their 200-day on pullbacks. There's an entire genre of traders who like to buy breakouts, and some are successful at it. But if you look at the average short-term returns on stocks making 10-day lows above their 200-day moving averages versus 10-day highs, you'll see significant differences. And last but not least, rule number 5. Exit on a close above the 5-period moving average. Anyone will tell you when to get in on a trade, but we all need to know when to get out. There are many different exit strategies, but to keep this simple, use a close above the 5-day moving average. Once the stock closes above its 5-period moving average, it's time to get out. This average is always adjusting to current price, and it does a nice job of finding the sweet spot of a stock's rally. Once a stock closes above its 5-day moving, look to exit, hopefully in the green, and move on to your next trades. Follow us on Twitter @HotForStock.